Chocolate is one of the world's most beloved treats. From candy bars and cakes to hot drinks and desserts, billions of people enjoy chocolate every day. But have you ever wondered how chocolate is made? The journey begins in tropical regions near the equator, where cacao trees thrive in warm and humid climates. Countries such as Ghana, Ivory Coast, Ecuador, and Brazil produce much of the world's cacao. Growing directly from the trunk and branches of the cacao tree are colorful cacao pods. These pods can be yellow, orange, red, or purple, and contain dozens of cacao beans surrounded by a sweet white pulp. When the pods are fully ripe, farmers carefully harvest them by hand, using sharp knives or machetes. The pods are opened, and the beans along with the pulp are removed. Next comes one of the most important stages in chocolate production: fermentation. The beans are placed in wooden boxes or covered with banana leaves for several days. During this process, natural microorganisms break down the pulp and develop the flavors that will eventually become chocolate. After fermentation, the beans are spread out under the sun to dry. Workers regularly turn them to ensure even drying and prevent mold growth. Once the moisture content is reduced, the beans are ready for transportation. The dried cacao beans are packed into large sacks and shipped to chocolate factories around the world. There, the beans undergo strict quality inspections before processing begins. The first step in the factory is cleaning. Machines remove dust, stones, and any unwanted materials from the beans. The clean beans are then roasted at carefully controlled temperatures. Roasting enhances the beans' flavor and aroma while reducing moisture. Different roasting conditions produce different chocolate flavors. After roasting, the beans are cracked open. Their outer shells are removed, leaving behind small pieces called cacao nibs. These nibs contain the rich cocoa solids and cocoa butter needed for chocolate production. The nibs are ground into a thick paste known as chocolate liquor. Despite its name, chocolate liquor contains no alcohol. It is simply liquefied cacao. At this stage, the chocolate liquor can be separated into cocoa solids and cocoa butter. Depending on the type of chocolate being produced, manufacturers blend these ingredients in different proportions. For milk chocolate, sugar, milk powder, cocoa solids, and cocoa butter are mixed together. Dark chocolate contains a higher percentage of cocoa solids and less or no milk. The mixture is then refined using powerful rollers that grind the particles into an extremely smooth texture. Next comes conching, a process in which the chocolate is continuously mixed, aerated, and heated for several hours or even days. This step helps create the smooth texture and rich flavor that chocolate lovers enjoy. After conching, the chocolate undergoes tempering. During tempering, the chocolate is carefully heated and cooled to stabilize the cocoa butter crystals. This gives chocolate its glossy appearance, satisfying snap, and resistance to melting. The tempered chocolate is poured into molds of various shapes and sizes. Vibrating machines remove air bubbles and ensure the chocolate fills every corner of the mold. The molds then pass through cooling tunnels where the chocolate hardens into solid bars, candies, or other products. Once cooled, the chocolates are removed from their molds and inspected for quality. Automated systems check for imperfections before packaging begins. Finally, the finished chocolates are wrapped, boxed, and shipped to stores across the globe. From a humble cacao pod growing on a tropical tree to the delicious chocolate bar in your hand, the process combines agriculture, science, engineering, and craftsmanship. The next time you enjoy a piece of chocolate, you'll know the remarkable journey it took to get there.